Have you ever written off yoga or another exercise because you don't look like the picture that's being promoted? We've heard that, and we want to let you know here at Win With Yoga, you don't have to worry about that. I'm Janine, and regardless of the promotional photo, which will probably be some photo of me, when you get inside that video, I'm going to give you options and variations for that exercise, so that's going to work for most everybody. Let me give you a simple example. So we had a photo that was out there on Facebook or on the cover of one of our YouTube videos that looked like this, the Nia pie. We got comments that I can't get my leg up that high, I'm gonna fall over, and those are all valid things, absolutely, because it can be a trickier balance. As you see, I'm falling over now. But if you get inside the video, I'm gonna build you up into that position. So for example, we would start on 2 feet, we'd come to a 1 foot balance here. Then if you're okay there, bring the knee up. Then grab onto the hamstring, then grab onto the shin, and there's the ending position. So you can see there's the ending position, but I'm gonna give you that step-by-step building block so that you can work at your level to where you're comfortable so you can build that strength and that balance slowly and gently at your pace. Here's another example. We had a photo, I think this is on the cover of one of our YouTubes, that looked something like this for hip releasing or low back. And we got lots of comments about how my leg will never come into my hip. And you know what? It might not come up all the way into the hip ever. But there's plenty of places that you can work. They're going to work for your body so that you can go at your pace. So when I teach the position inside the video, I would start out with hands on the leg or on the hamstring and just bring it across the midline. Here's your variation. If you've got that, then you can bring it in a little tighter. If you've got that, then we curl up and maybe bring this arm over. Maybe you're interlacing, maybe you have it on the forearm or the wrist. Lower it back down till eventually, then yes, here's the picture, elbow into the shin, and then we lay all the way down. But as you can see, you don't have to be able to do this variation of the position to get benefit from the pose, and I'm here to coach you along the way from each of those steps so that you have building blocks. So the thing that I would love you to remember is that we put those pictures up a lot of times to be aspirational, not to discourage you. And if you see a topic that interests you or you feel like it's really relevant to you, then go ahead and click on it, because inside, that's how we work. We're gonna give you those step-by-step progressions so you can work at your level for that day and then progress from there. And if you are struggling to find a program that does give modifications for various fitness needs, for various fitness levels, then I'd love to introduce you to something that can help you make you feel better than you have in years. Fit and Flexible for Life is a program I created of 10-minute-a-day routines that you'll actually do. It's for women in their 50s and 60s who want to improve their strength, balance, and stamina, even if you're not limber or have previous injuries. Fit and Flexible for Life has 10-minute-a-day routines that fit into any lifestyle, easy to follow routines with options for various fitness levels, no equipment is needed, a new you in 30 days plan, plus so much more. So if you want to check it out, go to fitandflexibleforlife.com. That's fitandflexibleforlife.com, and I'll include that link below the video. Have a great day.